In this video, you will learn how to overdraft with the Chime card. Chime, a mobile banking app, does not offer traditional overdraft protection like other banks. However, they do offer SpotMe, a feature that allows eligible users to overdraft their account up to a certain limit without fees. How SpotMe works. First, eligibility. To use SpotMe, your account must meet certain criteria, such as receiving direct deposits of $200 or more within the last 34 days. Also, overdraft limit. SpotMe gives an overdraft limit typically starting at $20, which can go up to $250 depending on your account activity and history. Using SpotMe, if you try to make a purchase or withdraw a fund that exceeds your balance, Chime will cover the difference up to SpotMe limit. For example, if you have $10 in your account and try to make a $30 purchase, Chime will cover the $20 difference if you have a SpotMe enabled. Repayment. When you deposit money into your Chime account, the overdraft amount is automatically repaid into the SpotMe limit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.